So here's the showing of Toaster project that I created before, and I'm going to use it to show you how layer sources work. Here I have a link that is called View All Layers, and if I click on it, I get a list of a whole bunch of layers. These layers are the same ones that are listed in the Open Embedded Metadata Index. And as in the metadata index, you can search them. So if you want to build Firefox, you can just search for it and it will find something like Meta Browser. Or if you're looking for something that will provide you security-related recipes, you will find Meta Security. Or maybe you're interested in radio. There you go. If you add one of these layers, for example, MetaSDR, Toaster knows about the dependencies between layers as well. So it's going to tell you, MetaSDR depends on MetaOE. Do you want to add it? Well, yes. So Toaster has added to your project both MetaSDR and MetaOE. And if you go back to the configuration page where we were before, you can see them there, MetaOE and MetaSDR. And now you can type something here if you know what you're looking for. But if you don't know what you're looking for, you can click in View All Targets and search for the layer you just added. And you will get a list of all the recipes that are provided by that layer. So maybe it's the development image that you want to build. So you just need to click on Build Target, and that's it. That starts your build.